time they stop?
4 until everybody leaves. Or right here, bag in. That bitch looks so good. That bitch looks
Come here,
so
come here,
good.
come here, come here. Feel that AC, come here, come here.
Feel like AC?
Feel that AC.
Cold as a motherfucker in this bitch, boy.
Hold on.
It's clean, man.
Make sure we see it.
Yes, sir. Oh, man. Oh, man, we looking in the front of us right now.
Yeah.
He hard. Oh, my God. This bitch sounds so good. Y'all know what's going on. Big 30. You gotta tell us about this bitch, man. What year is this?
70.
70? Eeeeee! Brave. You don't know what to say? You ain't got nothing to say.
Got the trucker, man. I got a silk on myself.
Two-tone gold. 30-inch Forgiato, first in the world to do it. Two-tone gold, big cap. Hard in the paint. 30. Fitted up Tim out of Illinois on the suspension. Big motor. Oh man, y'all know what's going on. We finna piss the world off with this one. We gonna piss the world off with this one.
He ain't cutting off. I came
Say
in
that.
crazy.
Yeah.
Lights running, music running,
Yeah.
camera running, I'm running,
Yeah.
shit running, and it's still lit the fuck up, you hear me?
Check out them headlights. Check out them headlights. Grill. Hey, tell them, man, this ain't painted gold. Let them know, man, this ain't painted gold, man. Who did all this gold shit?
Gold and custom plating down in Florida.
Yeah, man, Florida on everything gold. You did? Everything that's on this bitch gold. It ain't no paint, man. Florida touch. And he hard, man. He told me about his motherfucking windshield. You see the windshield? The windshield ain't got that tint up there. It ain't got no lines there. That bitch crystal clear like a bowl. Mirrors, brand new. Everything on him brand new, man. Everything on him brand new, man. Everything on him brand new, man. Everything on this bitch brand new, man. Gold plate. Gold plate. Ball forever. Hermes on the interior. Oh shit, we said it's ready.
Hey, you know what they say? Niggas in hell want ice water. I got it, baby. I got it, baby. I got it. Hey, give him say. Come on, let me see how much ice you got.
You said, let me see how many ice you got, man.
Hey, look.
Yeah, he right though, man. Everything brand new. Everything brand new. Hermes on the interior. Gold plated. Everything.
Damn. Still on. I still got it on. That's Hermes in there. That's real Hermes. $50,000 interior.
Tell him again, man.
$50,000
In interior. I told the nigga, he said he got what in there? Hermes. You dig what I said? Hermes 11 all up through that bitch. They ain't believe me, man. Gold plated ball forever. He got the ace of spades back there. Painted the same color.
Open it, I gotta open it.
You gotta open it.
They gotta see the bottle. The bottle is there.
The bottle is there. Open it up a little bit, bro. The bottle is there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You ain't fucking around here, man. Real furniture.
It's supposed to be in somebody's basement.
That's a person
This
there.
the man cave, ain't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Back deck hard. Back deck out of control. Oh my God. Gold plated. Gold plated. Gold plated. gold-plated digits. Yeah, sir, look at that. Check out the interior, man. Check out the interior. Oh, yeah, we were just talking about that Pioneer, that classic Pioneer. Everybody talking about that Pioneer. He got that money here, man. He got ball forever lighting up over there. He ain't fucking around, man. He said, where his opponent at? Look at OG. He said, God damn. Off the frame, man. Everything on this bitch touched. Yeah, man. It's about time how you trying to get the poppin' shit again, man. I said everything touched. You did? Everything touched, man. Pop the trunk, man. All right, show you what he got to bring this bitch. Check him out, man. You see it, man. Everything on there touch. Everything on there touch, man. Sunroof work. You good, you good, you good. Sunroof work. You can't? Why you can't pop the trunk, man? Oh, damn, what you do?
The music kicked me out.
It kicks you out? Said I'm tired of this shit.
My man, it kicked me out.
Kicked him out.
Kicked the lockout, kicked the emblem. I got it ordered though.
Okay.
It'll be here Saturday.
You said who did that interior?
Boom. Reyes on 666 Mitchell. Reyes Customs.
Shout out to Reyes Customs, man. That's the south side for you. Like we said, man, everything go here touch. What you do, ballers?
That bitch great, boy.
Tell him, man, everything touch. Everything touch. Run it.
Hey, that shit right, boy. Man,
you see what's going on, man. Oh my God. Everything painted. How the screw missing. Yeah. You said what?
They letting all my air out.
They letting all the air out?
Oh, look, let me show y'all. Just one push of a button. One push of a button. Hey. One push of a button.
One push of a button.
Oh, push button. Shit, push button.
Right there.
He got the splash.
Yes, sir.
Man.
One push of a button, man. You see what's going on? You see what's going on? But yeah, man, I've been waiting on this for a while, man. Shout out to my boy Ball, man. I've been waiting on this for a long time, man. This is one person that was keeping me up on the build. He was keeping me updated with every little nip he did. You know what I mean? And I'm right with him with it. You know what I'm saying, huh? That's my guy. But he came right with it. The blue.
I put the one touch on. I put the one touch on the roof. I fucked him up. I put the one touch on the roof.
Hey, OG. Yes, sir.
He got a laptop on the mirror, man. You killed him, boy.
Hey, we can't pop the trunk to show y'all that that trunk done too, man.
Yeah. Anybody got a screwdriver? Who got a flathead or a screwdriver?
I hope ain't nobody got no flathead.
I got one in my truck.
Like you do?
Let him get one. We'll pop the trunk.
Oh, man.
I blew the music off. You like it?
Yeah, he hard though, man. He ain't fucking around. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Spray wet on the paint. Reyes customers on the interior.
Watch. He gonna sit in there. See how that feels.
How that feel, OG?
Let me turn that AC back on before I get him comfortable. Play something for you. I got something for you.
These motherfuckers nice. I didn't know they was out. God damn.
Yeah, you clown.
All I do is talk about you, baby. You don't have much to say. No, stop talking. I got all the woman I need in you.
That's that water from that AC, baby.
That
ain't no leak. That's condensation. That's condensation. My fault, baby. My fault. I'll get you another. That's condensation. That's condensation. My 70's dripping water like a new car.
What you gotta say, bro?
What
What you gotta say, man?
I ain't got nothing to say, baby.
The car speaks for itself.
This big boy.
It's been a long time
Not
coming.
this time, baby.
It's been a long time coming, man.
I got some other shit up my sleeve. They gotta be ready for that new shit.
Man, some other shit.
They gotta be ready for that new shit.
Milwaukee,
This
Wisconsin.
old news. You gotta remember, this shit 5 years old. I paid for that shit to be done in that car 5 years ago, and it's doing what it's doing today. The shit that's gonna be ready soon, y'all gotta check back in with me 10 years from now to catch up to what I'm finna drop. Y'all gotta check back in with me 10 years from now for that.
Like you talking about?
I probably got the next 10 summer. It's hard. Like, bro, how you beat that?
Yeah, it's hard.
Candy green on gold with real Hermes, bro. How the fuck?
Real Hermes on the interior, man. Yes, sir.
Even if it wasn't, even if I didn't go Hermes, how you beat that combo?
Right. Yeah, you're right. The green with the gold.
The combo is what's
orange.
hard.
The
It's
green
not
with
even
the
that
orange
it's
with the gold.
the Hermes. It's
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you what. Let me check this out. I found out from my man's Todd. It was a car that I seen back in my childhood. It was a 70 Nova.
Yeah.
It was candy slime green, orange flames, orange and slime green checkered interior, 90-degree Lambo doors.
Yeah.
That's where I got the idea from my color scheme. So I want to pay homage to the nigga from Uptown, from my deck, Uptown.
Yeah.
I think his name was B. He was off like 48, 49% or somewhere up in there.
Yeah.
But he had that like 70 Nova, dog. And when my son told me, Daddy, go green. So when I figured the green out, I didn't know what color interior.
Yeah.
But then I thought about that Nova.
Yeah.
And see, back then, the Nova, the nigga was in the feds. The shop that the car was in, the nigga packed up and just hit it with everybody's car.
Oh, wow.
So while dog was in the feds, his car was never finished. I don't think it ever seen the light of day.
Wow.
But I just want to show him a whole lot of love. Like, nigga, I seen that motherfucker.
Yeah.
And when I decided to go green, because of your car, I knew what color would go good with that green. It was that orange, straight up.
Yeah.
And because I couldn't find no orange vinyl because of COVID, only place I knew where to get orange from was fucking Hermes. So we called them up like, nigga, what's happening? And they like, shit.
Suede
Dig
top.
this shit, man.
We want like 35.
Go get you a big cigar, man.
G's for 35.
Go get you a big cigar, man. Victorious. Get you one of them Victorious cigars. You killed the game, man.
Yeah.
The man rearview mirror is a laptop.
Yeah.
It's touch tone. Everything touch, man.
No bullshit. Everything new in the 71.
I ain't gonna lie. 70.
In the 70s.
70.
70.
That year matter.
Look, that year matter?
That year matter.
Yeah.
A lot of niggas got fiberglass hoods. I got full steel hoods. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot of that shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's a lot into it. I'm trying to be as humble as I can be. But
You
at
gotta pop your shit,
the
man.
same time, the headlights ain't flicker. Like,
That's some humble shit though, man. That's humble enough right there though.
but you know what?
That is the hardest, bro.
I say
That's
the
the
best for
hardest
last,
right
and
there.
I had to give you the best exclusive because you my man.
Oh God. I was just telling you,
100
dude, I've been
grand,
waiting
baby.
on it, man.
100 grand, baby.
Yeah,
I appreciate you what you doing for the car culture in Milwaukee, man.
Thanks, man. We outside with it.
Yeah, for sure that.
That's some showroom floor shit right there. He be all over town.
I'm showroom.
Yeah. Yeah.